Welcome, dear friends, to Stories That Shine. Today, we bring you a very special tale about a tiny bird with a big heart. This story is called The Sparrow Who Carried the Sky. It will teach us about courage, determination, and how even the smallest among us can do great things. So sit back, get comfortable, and let's begin. In the heart of a wide green forest where tall trees touched the clouds and rivers flowed like silver snakes, lived many animals. Strong elephants marched proudly, tigers prowled with shining eyes, monkeys swung playfully in the branches, and birds of every color filled the air with song. Among them lived a tiny brown sparrow named Sorry. Her feathers were plain, her wings short, and her chirp soft. She was so small that sometimes the other birds did not even notice her. When the parrots carried heavy twigs to build their nests, they boasted, "See how strong we are? We can build a whole nest in a single day." When the pigeons flew in great flocks across the valley, they said, "See how far we can go? We cross mountains and rivers together." And the crows teased, "Sorry, you are too small. Stay near the ground where it is safe. The sky is for big wings." Sorry listened quietly. Sometimes her heart ached, but she never argued. Deep inside, she believed, even small wings can do big things if they are brave enough. She spent her days flying from tree to tree, collecting seeds, helping her friends, and singing to the morning sun. Though small, her heart was kind and full of courage. One summer, the days grew hotter and hotter. The rivers shrank, the grass dried, and the animals grew tired. They longed for rain. One afternoon, black clouds rolled across the sky. At first, the animals cheered. "Rain is coming, at last!" cried the deer. The monkeys clapped their hands. "Banana trees will grow again." The elephants lifted their trunks and trumpeted with joy. But as the clouds grew darker and heavier, a strange silence spread through the forest. The sun disappeared, the air felt heavy, and even the wind seemed to stop. The wise old owl, who had seen many seasons, flew to the center of the forest. He hooted loudly, "Listen, all of you. This storm is not an ordinary one. The clouds are too heavy. If they fall, they may crush the forest." The animals gasped in fear. "What can we do?" asked the deer, their legs shaking. "Where can we hide?" cried the monkeys. Even the tigers looked uneasy. The owl's eyes glowed in the dark. "Someone must hold up the sky until the storm passes." The forest grew silent. Hold up the sky? It sounded impossible. But if no one tried, all might be lost. The elephants stepped forward first. "We are the biggest. We will hold the sky." They marched to the riverbank, raised their trunks high, and pressed their strong foreheads against the dark clouds. For a moment, it seemed to work. The clouds lifted slightly. The animals cheered. But soon the thunder roared, lightning cracked, and the sky pressed down harder. The elephants groaned, their knees bending. "It is too heavy, even for us," they cried, stumbling back. Next came the tigers. "We are fast and strong. We will leap and claw the storm away." They ran and leapt high, their sharp claws slicing into the clouds. But the storm growled and pushed them back. The tigers fell, their fur wet and their paws trembling. Then the monkeys tried. They climbed the tallest trees, grabbed the vines, and stretched their arms toward the sky. "We will hold it up," they shouted. But the branches bent and snapped under the weight. The monkeys tumbled down, chattering in fear. One by one, the strongest animals failed. Despair spread through the forest. At last, Sorry, the tiny sparrow, stepped forward. She was trembling, but her eyes shone with determination. "I will try," she chirped. The animals burst into laughter. "You? You are the smallest of us all," scoffed the parrots. "The storm will crush you in a second," said the deer. "Go back to your nest, little one," muttered the elephants. But Sori raised her wings. "You are all strong, but strength alone has failed. Sometimes courage and determination can do what strength cannot. Please, let me try." The old owl nodded wisely. "Every voice matters. Let the sparrow try." The animals grew quiet. Some still doubted, but none stopped her. Sori flew upward. The wind howled, the rain stung her feathers, and lightning flashed around her. The clouds loomed above, heavy and dark. Her wings shook, but she did not stop. She pressed against the clouds with her tiny body. At first, nothing moved. The sky pressed harder, and she almost fell. But she whispered to herself, "I must not give up. Even a tiny bird can help if she tries her best." She pushed again, wings beating furiously. Slowly, slowly, the clouds lifted. Just a little, but enough. Below, the animals stared in awe. "She's holding the sky," whispered the monkeys. "She's doing it," cried the elephants. But Sori felt her strength fading. She called down, "Friends, help me! Lift with me!" Hearing her cry, the animals rushed to help. The elephants raised their trunks again. The tigers leapt high once more. The monkeys climbed tall trees and pushed with their hands. Even the deer stretched their antlers upward. Together they lifted. Together they pushed. The sky began to rise. "Push slowly. Push together. Don't give up," Sori chirped from above. The storm roared in anger, thunder booming, but united, the animals were stronger than fear. Bit by bit, the clouds rose higher, the rain grew lighter, the wind calmed, and the first ray of sunlight broke through. The forest was safe. When the storm finally passed, the animals burst into cheers. They danced, they hugged, and they lifted Sori onto their shoulders. "You are small," said the elephants, "but today you were braver than all of us." "You saved the forest," said the tigers. "You showed us that courage matters more than size," added the monkeys. The owl spread his wings and declared, "Let this be remembered forever. It was not the strongest who saved us, but the one who dared to try. True strength lives in the heart, not the body." The animals decided to hold a great feast in honor of Sori. The deer brought sweet grass, the monkeys gathered bananas, the parrots plucked bright berries, and even the tigers shared their hunt. That night, under a clear sky filled with stars, the animals ate, laughed, and told the story of the sparrow who carried the sky. Sori sat quietly, smiling. She was proud, but she said gently, "I did not save the forest alone. I only showed the way. Together we carried the sky." From that day on, no one ever teased her again. Instead, the sparrow was respected as a leader. And whenever storms came, the animals remembered, even the smallest voice can hold the greatest courage. Wasn't that amazing? A little sparrow showed us that courage and teamwork can hold up even the sky. Remember, dear listeners, no matter how small you feel, your bravery can make a big difference. If you enjoyed the story, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more stories that shine. Until next time, keep your heart brave and your spirit kind.